I've lived near the meatpacking district for over half a century. Much of what used to go on here is sort of beyond the scope of this video, so I've referenced a little summary, historically speaking, from Wikipedia, which you can find in the description once you've finished looking at this video. However, nowadays I can vouch for the fact very definitely that the meatpacking district has become very upscale. Lots of interesting people all over the place, lots of interesting shops, with the exception, unfortunately, of some which had to close because of the pandemic. Nonetheless, it is the home of the Whitney Museum of American Art. Lots of neat restaurants, as I said, lots of neat shops. And this video is just a walk around to show you what the one little section I decided to treat in the video looks like. Thank you. The map is an excerpt of a chunk of Google Maps, and it shows pretty much the area we call the meatpacking district. However, I've enclosed in red the actual area in which we're going to concentrate, inasmuch as we want to show you the area which is part of open streets, meaning the dashed blue lines that you see represent streets that are closed to vehicular traffic most of the time. And may I point out also that above that little red and blue star, there's some black dashed lines. The black dashed line represents part of 9th Avenue, which is referred to as a slip lane, which connects 14th to 15th Street. Technically, some people would say it's part of Chelsea. Others would say, well, everyone who visits the meatpacking district wants to go there. So in order to keep peace, let's just pretend that the black dashed line is part of the meatpacking district. Once again, to emphasize, the open streets is really the focus of this video, open streets in the meatpacking district. Let's examine that a little more closely. Starting with the top dashed blue line, that is West 13th Street, and the dashed blue line below it is Little West 12th Street, and the dashed blue line below that one is Gansevoort Street. The heavy red line that encompasses those streets is the area in which we are restricting our walk. We start where the star is, that little blue and red star, which is pretty much at the intersection of 14th Street at 9th Avenue. And then the area we're going to focus on goes all the way down to Gansevoort Street along that red line. Then if you take a right on Gansevoort, when you get to the next intersection, that's Washington Street, we hang a right on Washington Street and then go back to 14th Street, whereupon we hang another right and go back to the star. That red area is the area in which our video will focus.
Okay, so you're going down. Okay.
Oh my goodness!